So, today we will explain about the Keltner channel, which is widely used to identify the volatility of the price, and it also indicates the direction of the trend.
Now let us understand about the Keltner channel. First, we talk about the formation of it.
Keltner channel generally consists of 3 lines. The price of the stock moves around these lines.
The middle line is the exponential moving average of the price.
The lines which are above and below of the EMA are known as the channels. The upper channel is plotted at the 2 times of the average true range above the middle line. In the same way, the lower channel is plotted at the 2 times of the average true range below the middle line.
Here you can see the formula for the Keltner channel.
By default, the exponential moving average is taken as 20 periods and the value of the ATR is taken as 10 periods.
Now we understand that how does the Keltner channel work.
When the Keltner channel is sloped in the upward direction, then it is said that the stock is in the uptrend. During the uptrend, the price generally moves between the upper and lower channels. If the price closes above the upper channel, and after that it keeps moving above the upper channel, then this situation indicates that the stock is in high uptrend, and during this, we can get the buying opportunity. Similarly, when the Keltner channel is sloped in the downward direction, then it is called that the stock is in the downtrend. During the downtrend, the price moves among both the channels. When the price closes below the lower channel, and then if it moves below the lower channel, then stock will be in the high downtrend, and this time we can get the selling opportunity. When the Keltner channel becomes flat, then the price will be in the consolidation.
During this range-bound period we should not make any trade. Till here you learned about the Keltner channel. Now we understand about our strategy. Here you can see, some candles move below the lower Keltner channel, but does the price move ahead in high downtrend?
The price is not going in high downtrend. Instead of that, the price makes reversal from here, and it moves in the upward direction. Its meaning is that, when the candles moves outside the Keltner channel, then every time, it does not specify for the high trend, but sometimes, it indicates for the reversal. Now the question is how to identify these types of reversal points. For finding out the possibility of the reversals, here we will use an indicator called zigzag indicator. When the price movement, occurred between the swing high and swing low, is higher than the specified percentage, then the zigzag line is plotted. Thus, zigzag indicator is useful to find the trend of the price, and change of the price trend. In our strategy, the value of price deviation for reversal is 3, which can be done from the settings of zigzag indicator. We will use the chart of a stock on 30-minute time frame for the buying and selling examples. First, we discuss the conditions for the buy setup.
Condition number 1.
Find the candles which move below the lower channel.
Condition number 2.
We will look for the buying when the zigzag line changes its direction and moves in the upward direction.
Condition number 3.
We will buy at the bullish candle which opens inside the lower Keltner channel.
Let us see an example for the buying.
As you can see here, some candles move below the lower Keltner channel, so this can be the possible reversal area.
Moreover, here the zigzag line moves in the downward direction.
At this point, the zigzag line changes its direction and moves in the upward direction.
Now we will wait for the bullish candle which opens inside the lower channel.
Here this bullish candle opens inside the lower channel, thus this becomes our trigger candle. We will buy at the high of this trigger candle. Our stop loss should be at the recent swing low, and we will set our target at 1:2 risk to reward ratio.
The result is very fine. After our buy entry, the price moved in the upward direction in a good way.
Now we discuss the conditions for the sell setup.
Condition number 1.
Find the candles which move above the upper channel.
Condition number 2.
We will look for selling when the zigzag line changes its direction and moves in the downward direction.
Condition number 3.
We will sell at the bearish candle which closes below the upper Keltner channel.
Let us see an example for the selling.
As you can see here, these candles move above the upper Keltner channel, so here there is a possibility of reversal. Moreover, the zigzag line changes its direction from upside to downside, and here this bearish candle closes below the upper channel. So, we will sell at the low of this bearish candle. Our stop loss should be at the recent swing high, and we will set our target at 1:2 risk to reward ratio. After our sell entry, the price moved in downward direction in a very fine way, and we achieved our target. This strategy does not work all the time, but when it works, then the result comes very fine.